Hi everyone, this is Anish Big Leap Ambassadors and I'm Vanishri. I am the Management Faculty of Anish College of Commerce, and please meet my team. This is Azman, Vishishta and Heyman. Firstly, we would like to thank Philips for giving this wonderful opportunity to be part of this Big Leap Marketing and Advertising Challenge. Definitely it was a very good exposure to my students and for our college too, because we were competing with the all over India management colleges. So we'd like to share our experience, how did we go about the different rounds and what are the various challenges we have taken.
Hi there, I am Vishishta Saxena, the brand and product manager of this team. The product lays a basic consideration for any market to progress, and the brand, on the other hand, is a marketing tool for connecting with the audiences and your target customers. It creates a profitable customer relationship and customer value. My team has been following this famous saying which goes like products are created in the market factory, but brands are created in the people's mind. So this has been a guiding principle for us along this journey, through this journey.
Hey, this is Asmat and I am the Sales and the Marketing Manager. The main agenda of the Sales and the Marketing Manager is to be in tandem with the team as well as to dig out the effective techniques to relate the product with the target audience, and in fact to create a brand visibility, brand popularity among the target audience. Sales and the marketing manager or the sales and marketing is to mainly take out the maximum sales with the different techniques or the new advertisements.
Hello everyone, this is Heyman, the digital marketing manager of the team. As a digital manager, one should be perfect with the available digital resources. We have been executing our plans effectively. Managing online brand and product campaign to raise brand awareness was my major challenge.
For this competition, for the various rounds, we have followed different kind of strategies. The objectives, we have set certain objectives for each round, and we were going through as per the case study and as per the requirements and as per the targets. We have followed various plans and implementation process, like the qualitative analysis, the comparative analysis, the market survey, and the SWOT analysis, where identifying the areas of development and trying to implement certain ideas and plans and trying to give our innovativeness to overcome these areas of development or rather weaknesses.
Talking about the strengths, imagination will always carry us to worlds that never were, but without that we go nowhere. We have been imaginative in executing our roles and thinking about various strategies and practices. Our creative approach towards customers and our creative way of getting to handle things and resources around us really helped us. So you have to got that knack, I would just say. Talking about the innovations, we had from the first round showing the presentations, let it be coming to the advertisement round where we have been doing a flash mob. We have concentrated on the minute details, selecting the song. We have chosen our Arjun brand ambassador Arjun Kapoor's song of Tune Mari Entry, and in that choreographed in such a way that the trimmer is at last seen by the passerbys there. And the next we had a product experience round in which we have called a stylist to give a live demo to all our customers sitting there, and people were so enthusiastic to participate in it. And then he had been styling those students with different beard styles. Then we had our telebuy, that is the product features video. In that directing that was a really big challenge for us, writing the script and then making them to speak those things, having an effective way of communicating to people. Next we had also penned down the rap song for our Philips for the advertisement round, I guess, and in that Main Philips Ka Macho Man Mera Ho Jayega Tufan was a big buzz, created a big buzz in the college. Everyone were like singing that, and we really happy about that. Because we had hunted for the rhyming words actually to suit the song and make it people start humming it. Then next we had a short film contest in which that also had a really good response in the sustenance round. So like that we have been going on with different strategies and methods and making our mind adaptable to all the resources and situations created before us. communication on the whole has been creating, I would say, play a major role. Our communicative skills have played a major role in all the achievements so far for us.
Coming to the weakness, we had to juggle between our college events, academics, and also the Philips Big Leap contest. Finally, we have balanced between the both. We have given the 100% to sustain in the contest.
Well, coming on to the opportunities, we successfully tested ourselves as a planner, organizer, and a very hard worker. To reach our goals and our particular task, we really used each and every opportunity which was on our way. And we at last we all did like a multitasking. We were all multitaskers at the time, and we had to put different hats at different situations and step into different shoes, various situations and all. So we successfully used all our opportunities.
Coming to the threats, that is the kind of challenges which we have taken in this SWOT analysis, the scarce resources, the cutoffs, the timelines. We had to adhere to the timelines and complete our targets with regards to the case studies or the videos, the kind of the deployments which we have to keep. So it was a tough challenge to us coming to the threats, and it was a very good learning for our team from this SWOT analysis and from the challenges.
College of Commerce and our college mates and even our classmates for their extended support and for being wonderful audience, as well as for the patience, for such long tasks and all.
Exactly, because they were the people, before we taking an initiative, they used to come and ask what is the plan of action. So we were like, what? You want to really participate in these things, and we were really happy for that. And coming up to the college lecturers.
Buzz was created so much in the campus, so we were very excited to be part of it.
We would also like to thank our faculty to support in our academics.
Exactly. And last but not the least, thanking the Philips brand, because it is having such a connection that they have tried to create through us, as giving us a practical experience, because subjective knowledge is not enough for us to deal with the real market world. So it has been it was like a privilege, I would say, to work for the brand like Philips and connect directly with our customers and getting their mindset and knowledge, whatever it is.
Yeah, I
Even
truly
thanks
accept
to
with,
the Big Leap and the Pulse strategy too.
yeah, I truly accept with the team, because the practical knowledge is something which they had really gained in this entire process and in the entire rounds of the Philips. And on behalf of Anish College, on behalf of our director Mr. Anil Kumar and management faculty, and as a mentor for this Big Leap strategy and complete Anish team, we would like to thank Philips for giving this a wonderful opportunity to be part of this competition.
Our experience wouldn't be over if we don't thank our mentor, Manashri ma'am, for being like a guiding light for us through this journey. And thank you, ma'am.
A very thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank Anish College and Philips team for this opportunity.